Right, day 13, Harry Potter. Okay, and we have a minifig of somebody. I don't know which character this is, maybe you can tell me. So we'll take her out of there. That's that one. Okay, and then we've got Marvel. Okay, Marvel, day 13. Redeem yourself. Okay, we've got another Spidey, Black Spidey. Is that, what do you call it? Miles Morales? Maybe? I don't know. But that's a minifig, so that's good. We like the minifigs. This is all collapsing over here. Right, next up is Star Wars. Please no more ships. Please no more ships. It's another ship. Wow, okay. Definitely least impressed. Okay, and finally we have the city one with day 13, which is a minifig, yay, on ice skates with a cookie or something. Awesome. Good. Right, I know which one my favourite is so far. Yeah, as far as advent calendars. Right, now I'm going to build these. Be back in a second. Day 13 didn't let me down with Star Wars. I'm going to start with Star Wars because yet another ship. And yeah. Don't understand what that one is, but whatever. It's supposed to be a ship, so I'm presuming people out there might know what it is. Let me know in the comments. It's got the motors at the back, which is cool. Why is that gone? It was on there a minute ago. Yeah. Put that on there. There we go. So its motors are on the back. Cool. Righty ho then. Awesome. Okay, minifig from Marvel, which I think is Miles Morales. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. I love the printed shirt. That's really cool. And on the back as well. He's into his music because he's got his headphones around his neck. And it's there. He has it also. It's nice. I like the torso. Very nice printed torso. And he's holding his mobile phone. Very cool. Then we've got a lady on ice skates who's also got a nice printed festive top on. Can't see it all because she's got a scarf on. She's cold, but she's got a helicopter there. And I don't know what the other things are. And then she has a Christmas tree. Let's have a look. See, she has two faces. No, she doesn't. She has one face. Why did I think she had two? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, we've got two helicopters and a star. Okay. Two helicopters with a star in the middle. Cool. She has a scarf to keep her warm, which is awesome because, you know, it gets chilly. Spin her head round. Hello, there we go. Nice hair. And she's carrying two cookies, maybe one for her child, who knows. And she's wearing her ice skates so she can go skating around the rink. Awesome. And then we've got this unknown person from Gryffindor, I think that is, Gryffindor. And she's got a really nice printed scarf, which is really kind of cool. I like that in the school, the house colours. With the Gryffindor on it as well, and she's got the two faces. Sorry, yes, she's got that one which is sad, and that one which is carries her wand, and then the emblem on the bottom there, which is cool. And that's that for day 13. Thank you very much. See you soon. We've got 11 days to go. Awesome.